When we become CA, we think our career is sorted. अब तो डिग्री मिल गई है, अब सब कुछ सेटल हो गया, अब सब चल रहा है, अब सब बहुत ही बढ़िया होगा. I am sure this might be your thought also. But let me tell you the truth. CA degree alone doesn't guarantee fast growth. Because the truth is, डिग्री मिल गई है, एक बात है, डिग्री के बाद आप कैसा परफॉर्म करते हो, that is a separate thing. In last 5 to 6 years of corporate journey, of corporate world or getting into corporate, I realized there is something more than degree which you would need in order to change your corporate trajectory, in order to grow fast in your career, in order to move ahead in your career, which many people don't talk about. Here are the 3 things which I learned in last 5 to 6 years of corporate world, and that actually changed my growth trajectory and which actually led me grow faster than many people around me. So in this video, I will be sharing those 3 things which helped me grow in the corporate world, in the corporate journey, so that it may benefit you as well. So stay tuned in the very end. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tanvi Sukhija and I am on a mission to help students and freshers to launch their career in the professional world by rising from mediocrity to excellence. So those 3 things which I was talking about, one of them is communication skills. Technical knowledge is one thing, but your communication skills is everything. If you are technically sound, well and good, all the CAs are, जिन्होंने clear करे हैं exams, I am sure सबके पास knowledge होगी, because अगर knowledge नहीं होती तो clear नहीं होते exam. But how are you different? How do you present your ideas? How do you communicate your thoughts? How do you explain some technical concept that makes you stand out? Speaking confidently, writing professional emails, or explaining the concept, or conducting trainings or seminars or webinars help you grow, help you, makes you visible around others, and that is why it creates an edge for you over others. Because if you know one thing, but if you present that particular thing, that will help you grow, that will help you make visible amongst the other person. So always make sure to speak confidently, to write professional email, explain technical concept, or learn everything, learn all the new topics, but make sure you present it also, because learning से कुछ नहीं होता. अगर आपको learning है अच्छी बात है, but अगर learning आप अपने तक ही सीमित रखोगे तो it won't let you grow in your career, right? So that is why it is very important for you to focus on your communication skill, because it is a game changer. Soft skills हमें पता है बहुत important होते हैं. One of the major component of soft skills is communication skill. तो communication अगर आप अच्छे कर लोगे ना, तो I'm sure it will take you to next level. It will take you to next heights in your career, because जो दिखता है वही बिकता है. Second most important thing is personal branding. जब लोगों के पास CA डिग्री आ जाती है ना, कुछ टाइम बाद, 2 साल बाद, 3 साल बाद, वो जो ग्राइंड होती है ना, जो उन्होंने करी होती है, या फिर जो मेहनत होती है, या फिर जो स्पार्क होता है ना, it fades eventually after 1 or 2 years, and then those people become invisible. जब आप इनविजिबल बन जाओगे तो आपको कोई पहचानेगा नहीं, आपकी कोई ब्रांड नहीं होगी, आपकी कोई आइडेंटिटी नहीं होगी. What is personal branding is showing yourself in the market, showcasing your skills in the market. How you can build your personal branding? अपनी डोमेन से रिलेटेड कुछ इनसाइट्स शेयर करते रहो in your organization, outside your organization as well. Personal branding is not just limited to your organization, but outside your organization as well, because आपको लोग कैसे जानते हैं, वो आप जो आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में नहीं है वो आपको कैसे जानेंगे. दिस इज समथिंग यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन. एंड ये आप कैसे कर सकते हो? बाय शेयरिंग क्रेडिबल इनसाइट्स ऑन लिंक्डइन, or posting vlogs, articles, or posting content on social media platform. There are many ways wherein you can build your personal brand, and for that you need to focus on yourself, focus on your technical growth, because अगर आपके पास कुछ technical knowledge नहीं होगी, technical growth नहीं होगी, new topics की knowledge नहीं होगी, what will you share and why will people come to see your post? क्या different होगा आपकी post में? Why will they come to you? So इसीलिए आपको अपने आप पे फोकस करना है. अटेंड करो, बहुत सारे नेटवर्किंग इवेंट्स होते हैं, बहुत सारे कम्युनिटी इवेंट्स होते हैं. अटेंड दैट एंड बिल्ड योर आइडेंटिटी identity for yourself. And number 3 and most important is networking. Just remember कि जो भी आपको opportunities मिलती हैं, it's mostly from the people and not from the job portals. तो आप job portal पे आप ढूंढ लोगे, but जो आपको referral से job मिलेगी उसके chances ज़्यादा high होंगे as compared to applying directly through job portal. So stay in touch with your peers, stay in touch with the professionals you have worked with, stay in touch with your ex-colleagues, your seniors, your batchmates. Stay in touch with people, not for any ulterior motive, but just stay in touch on a positive ground. Attend industry event to make connection, to build better bonds, to know people better, to know and understand what people are doing in this domain and how are they growing better. जितनी ज़्यादा आप अपनी विजिबिलिटी बढ़ाओगे, अपना नेटवर्क बढ़ाओगे, इट विल बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू. जस्ट डोंट लिमिट योर सेल्फ टू 1 or 2 people. आई नो बहुत सारे लोग ऐसा करते हैं कि दे डोंट, because they are introverts, so they don't indulge with other people, but that is wrong. For your profession, for yourself, for your branding, you have to do this, and your network is your net worth. So in this video, we have learned about 3 things which helped me grow in my career. One of them is communication skills, next is personal branding, and the third and most important is networking. Why communication is important? Because your knowledge will only have value when the other person or when other people could understand it. That is why communication is very important. Why personal branding is important? Because if you never talk about your work, the world would never know it and they won't recognize you even. Why you need to network? Because your network can accelerate in your career in many ways which other cannot. So these are the 3 most important things which help me grow in my career, and if you are a CA student or a fresher, just focus on these 3 things from the very start of the career, because it will help you grow much more faster in your career and it will be amazing for your growth. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestion, do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video. Thank you for watching the video. Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so that it may benefit them as well. In case you have any questions, you can reach out to me through Instagram, LinkedIn, or you may join my Telegram community. Do not forget to mention your biggest takeaway from this video in the comment section below.